All right, hi everyone. Today we've got a rolling game for you. This one's called Skee Ball. So in this game, there's a few materials that you are going to need. This is Olive here, eating some of our materials. There's a few things that you're going to need today to play our game. So there's a few things you're going to need today to play our game. Now, the first is a piece of cardboard or something to make a ramp. The second, you're going to need some buckets or some targets. You're going to be rolling an object into those buckets. Now, for our game today, I'm going to be using a tennis ball. If you don't have a tennis ball at home, any small ball will work, or if you really don't have one of those, you can use rolled up socks as well. So the goal of the game is to start right around where you are there. That'll be my rolling line. I'm going to roll it up the ramp. The goal is to roll up the ramp and to try to get it into one of the buckets here. Now, these buckets, I have numbered them 1, 2, and 3. You can choose the numbers or the point value that you would like for each of the buckets. So you could use 10, 20, 30. You could use 100, 200, 300. So the nice part about this game is you can incorporate some math. For some of our older students, you could have fractions. You could have 1/4, 2/4, 3/4. It's up to you. You would have to add some of those fractions together. If you'd like, you could work on multiplication as well. If you roll and you get a 2, you roll and you get a 3. 2 multiplied by 3 would be 6. So it's up to you how you would like your points to work. You can play this game on your own and add up your own points, or you can play it with someone. So I'm going to take a minute here to show you the setup of the game so you can start getting set up at home. All right, so we're going to take a look at the setup of our Skee Ball game. So there's a few things that you will need. Some cardboard to make the ramp, some laundry baskets or larger buckets to make your targets will work. A tennis ball or rolled up socks will be great for the rolling aspect of the game. So I'll just take you a little bit closer here. You can see that Olive is playing with our game right now, having some fun eating our cardboard. So we've got the ramp here made of the cardboard, and I've numbered each of the targets 1, 2, and 3. Now you can choose your own numbers that you would like to use. So you can add a little more math in here for our older students. You could use things like fractions as well as you are adding up your score. You'll notice that I have a weight in the first target here, the first bucket. And the reason being is it held down the ramp nicely so the ball wouldn't make the ramp move as it rolls up. All right, so now we've had a chance to see the setup of the game. I'm going to show you exactly how it works. So I'm now standing over here near my rolling line. Since this is a rolling activity, we want to make sure that we are demonstrating proper rolling. So when I am rolling, I'm going to start my feet together. I'm going to be stepping with my opposite leg forward. So I'm rolling with my right hand, meaning my left leg is my opposite leg that will be stepping forward as I roll. As I go to roll, I'm going to be bringing my object, my ball, back behind me. As I step forward, I'm going to be releasing near the ground with my eyes on my target. So I want the ball rolling right up the ramp. So I'm going to be looking right to the ramp. That is my target. So I'm starting here with my rolling line. Feet are together. I'm going to step, roll. All right, now we come on over here. We take a look at where the ball went. Just bounced out of that 3, so unfortunately I don't get any points for that one. It has to stay in the bucket, so I can come back to our starting line and I can try again. Step, roll, just off to the side. Now, you also have the option to add a transport skill in here. So as you are retrieving your ball, you could hop to retrieve the ball. You could skip, you could jump. When I do get my ball into one of the buckets, that one was the 2 for example, I can then add up my score. So again, we're adding in some math today. I hope you enjoy this game. Remember that criteria for rolling. Just a quick note, there will not be a lesson posted tomorrow, Friday. It is a PD day. So there will not be a lesson posted tomorrow, but I will see you again on Monday. Have a great weekend. Thanks everyone.